Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to host Google Meet video conference. Okay, so this is a video. Google Meet is a video conference or video meeting solution, and this Google Meet has many features that you can use while you are video, or you can very you will be very comfortable while you're calling. So I will show you how you can host video conference is Google Meeting in my desktop. So I will show you. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the. So here you can see I am on Gmail. You have to log in with Gmail with your email ID which you want to use while you're meeting. So in Gmail you can see there is a option new meeting or join meeting. In join meeting, if you click on join meeting, you need code from host and you need to paste this code here, and it just you can join from here. Now if you want to host meeting video, if you want to host video conference, then you can use new meeting. Okay, so this is Google Meet. You can copy this code and share to other person by email, WhatsApp, Messenger, anything, or you can start now. Okay, so after the start, you can invite peoples. So Google Meet. Okay, so you micro block it. So my microphone has blocked, so it is okay. Okay, so you can see the meeting has been start, and here I can mute my microphone. I can unmute, I can mute, I can stop my videos. I don't want to show me my face on video, I can stop it. Okay, this is a presentation. Now if I click on it, so I will show my laptop or computer presentation to on video conference. Okay, so this is subtitle, you can say caption what I'm saying. Just open my, okay, muted microphone. Now if I turn my caption, you can see the caption has been appear here, and whatever you say it will be show here. Okay, so this is like caption. So I just turn off it, and here in this click three dot. Okay, you can whiteboard, you can change. Okay, this is whiteboard, start new whiteboard. So this is whiteboard. So if you want to show something to your members, you can write something on whiteboard. This is whiteboard features, you can see. Okay, here you can see you have to take pens and you can write something, or you can, this is okay. So this is whiteboard, you can take image from your device or computer and you can show something to your members. So just log out, just okay. So when you go on this again three dot, here you can change layout, you can go to full screen, you can visual effect. This is caption, which is shortcuts of this option is same as a, this is shortcut of caption. You can report problems, you can report abuse, you can troubleshooting help, and you can also go in setting. In setting you will find, this is Chrome setting, you can check your mouse. This is speaker. Okay, so you can change camera or anything, you can go in general. Okay, so this is host control, so host management. So your host, this is why you are showing this. Okay, so now if you go in this member, so you can see all member here. In my member I just have only one me. So in me, when you copy and paste this link to, if you send the link to others, they will join here. You can see here you can mute people from here. This is you because you can't mute, you can mute other people's. And you will see the three dot option of left side of your right side of member, you can click on it and you can remove the members also. You can all mute here, you can add people also, the same you have to share. You can send the invitation on mail. Okay, so you can take mail from your contacts, or you can manually write mail from here and just click on invitation, send mail, the invitation will be sent. Okay, this is host control, this is for you only because you are hosting the meeting video conference. Okay, so now in this you can chat with everyone. So message can only by seen by people in chat call and are deleted when the call ends. So read this before you chat, because Google Meet says that this message only seen by people in call only. After call, this message will be deleted. Okay, so let everyone send the message. If you want to stop message from everyone, you can off it. If you want to If you want to members participate in your chat, you can on this and you can send message here. Okay, so let's see the another option. It's called activities. So it is activities you had done. I just done activities like whiteboard. So here you can see the all activities. Okay, if you make presentation, then the presentation will show your presentation made, it will show your computer screen to peoples. Okay, and this is for host control. Okay, so this is host control, view all host setting. Okay, this is for your, this is setting for you only because you're hosting the video conference, and you can view all host settings same as I show you. Okay, so this is your meeting code. Okay, you can copy it and copy it and send to the peoples who can join by clicking here. Okay, so they can put code here. You have to just copy this. You can send people on WhatsApp and anyone, and some people can copy here and just join the meeting. Okay, so there is a individual website of Google Meet. You can go there. Okay, if I click on this seed option, you can see their meet option. Meet, yeah, this is meet app service. This is a separate service. Here the shortcut key होगा. Here you can schedule the meeting. Okay, if you click on new meeting, you can schedule meeting, you can start meeting. Okay, in here you can get the meeting code and you link and you can share it, and this the both option is the same. In first option you can get the invitation link instantly, and after you can start, and here you can start meeting, and after that you get the link on meeting. Okay, in schedule meeting you can schedule the meeting on Google Calendar. If you want to schedule a meeting after 2 days or week, or you can schedule the meeting for every day, just click on Google Calendar. So Google Calendar on open now. So here you can make, you can change date, you can start time change, you can in time change, you can change in date, you can repeat every day, every week, Thursday, anything, all day you can make. Okay, this is fine. Okay, so here you can add the person or email IDs, member can be add here, and you can save, and you can add message, chat, attachment, anything here. Okay, so you can add location also, notification setting also. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe me.